Merry Christmas, everybody! Yes, we Chinese celebrate Christmas also. It's not like New Year, it's not a big deal for us, but we still celebrate it. Personally, for me, I would celebrate any holidays that I can use it as an excuse to get gifts. So today I'm going to show you the transformer made by the Xiaomi company. It's Soundwave. So I'm going to make it from a tablet to a robot. Let's unbox it and take a look. So from the outside, it is just a tablet, and the back we have a lot of different parts. So I'm going to figure out how to transform it from a tablet to a robot. Do they have instruction here? What is this? Oh yeah, they do have instructions here. Alright, and nothing underneath. Well, let me just take a look at the. So it looks like this. I think I could figure it out just by looking at the picture. Alright. Did I just break it? Okay, you can also, I think, disassemble it. I mean, pull it apart, and after all, it's transformer. So. Merry Christmas, everyone, and no matter where you are and no matter what holiday you're celebrating, I wish you a happy holiday. And if you're thinking about getting one of these for your family or your kids as a gift, I will put it in the description box. And thanks again for watching. See you next time.